And it would be very not only difficult for the House but for the entire country. So isipin mo, the first and the second officials of the land will be facing, di ba, an impeachment complaint.
Kauna-unahan sa kasaysayan kung matutuloy ang sabay na paghahain ng impeachment complaints laban kina Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. at Vice President Sara Duterte. Samantala, kahit naman kinumpirma ni House Senior Deputy Minority Leader at Caloocan 2nd District Representative Edgar Erice ang planong impeachment complaint na ihahain laban kay PBBM, nagpahayag pa rin ng duda si Representative Adjong kung may mambabatas na mag-e-endorso nito.
Sabi nila, they are finalizing the draft.
Okay, so hindi po chismis yun pong planong paghahain ng impeachment complaint
Hindi
against the
chismis.
President.
Hindi,
Nakataga na.
Yes. At maganda yun na malaman ng Kongreso na pagbalik namin, may mga ganyang para handa ang Kongreso.
So ang tanong muna is may mag-endorse ba, no? So let's see kung ano yung magiging file nila.